Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are at Portofino Bay Hotel, right here on Universal property. We're staying here in room Villa 2469. We're going to give you a full room tour. Let's enter together, just like we like to do on Medling World. Come on in, check it out. As we first come in,
yeah, David put our
actually,
bell service, put it like
at the signature hotels here at Universal Property, they have full bell service. So David, which was awesome, gave us a lot of information.
amazing. David
He was
amazing.
so nice.
Yeah.
He even spoke a little Portuguese to us.
Yeah.
But yeah, he was awesome. So
He
shout
would
out
put
to
our
him.
stuff inside.
Yeah, he's kind of put our stuff away. So right as you come in, you have this nice big cool mirror. Remember, we are at the the theming of this, Roberta, the Italian seashore,
Yes.
of the Portofino area. So, you got a full service coffee. You got your ice bucket. And this is actually nice.
Yeah.
You'll notice the decor of the room, the theming of the room, again, keeping with that European style, Roberta.
Yes.
We have this is an old hotel, by the way.
And this one is a deluxe 2 queen rooms. Deluxe 2 queen rooms. That's the room.
2 queen beds.
2 queen bedroom. Yeah.
You got a safe here, guys. Ironing board. Full size iron. Nice big closet.
Yeah.
It's an older resort. David said he was working here for 25 years.
25 was 20.
Yeah, so
a long
it's
time.
at least not late 90s.
Yeah, this bag in here, there's actual leanings and
Luggage rack.
Yeah. So right here's oh my god, the bathroom's nice.
And here we are as we spin around into the bathroom. Also want to remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet.
Oh, opens like that. Okay, so there's nothing here.
Got some linens. Small, okay.
Okay, so the hair dryer is here.
We might need more linens.
And I'm sure be in the shop. Oh, right here. There's 2 extra.
Okay, so there's enough for 4.
Yes.
And we do have 4 because May is staying with us, Roberta's mother-in-law. This is how we vlog, guys. Follow our channel. Get to know who we are. We vlog room tours the same way we make vlogs in parks or cruises. We keep it real on Medling World, just as if you came into this room. Hey, what am I looking at? Where am I going?
Oh,
that's how we vlog.
Big mirrors here. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Big
Okay.
mirror and
Full-size mirror with a couple hooks. We do have the shower head that does have some adjustments on it for pressure and pulse. Aiding water, probably. Big glass door. You have your amenities here.
they have a clothesliner too.
They do. Roberta loves the clothes. She calls them clothesliners. Roberta from Brazil, she makes up her own English words, which we love on Medling World.
Oh, look at this.
It is a dual sink, Roberta, as you
Yeah,
notice.
and they have some
Oh,
extra.
yeah, a little extra. Signature. I'm telling you, Roberta, one thing I want to say, guys. I know this is just a room tour. There is an elevated experience when you get to the signature level that you will not find at the value.
It's so cute. It's
So,
really cute. Yes.
Again, here's some of the artwork. And here you can come in and take care of anybody has to go to the bathroom. You can also shut this door while somebody's using that. And you can still utilize this area.
You have a makeup mirror as well.
Makeup mirror.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay.
It just has little fancy touches that you don't find
Yes.
at some of the other resorts.
Well, one thing is.
You actually have glasses. This is a big thing. I worked in the hotel industry. I've worked in 5 diamond AAA rated. This is part of a 5 diamond requirement is to have glass and not plastic. Just to let you know, I don't know what the diamond rating is on here, but.
So this hotel, it is a 4 diamond hotel.
Thank you for mentioning that.
So it's a AAA 4
AAA
diamond
4
hotel.
diamond.
And another fact about this room, it is you can request a rollaway bed if you need a 5th bed. So it's a rollaway bed. This one will fit because it's a deluxe room. But right now, the charge, it is $35 as of today if you want to have an extra bed to the room.
Oh, breaking information on Medling World.
Yeah.
And you did say it was 2 queen beds?
2 queen beds, yes. There is no under. Under it is open, but it doesn't fit.
So yeah, lots of the newer, yeah, you can't really fit.
Yeah.
No, a lot of them are elevated now, where you could fit a suitcase, but you do have that nice big closet.
Yeah.
Which is a difference. You have your thermostat here, a little bit of an old school thermostat. Again, I'm not saying that this resort is outdated yet. I haven't really gotten out to it, but doing the room tour, the room is themed the way it's supposed to be. Okay? A little bit of this may be outdated, things like that, but the room, it's the theming of the room. The lights are pretty neat.
Yeah. Well, one thing it is, again, maybe because a little bit older, just 2 outlets.
Yeah, they don't.
And
do
that
not have
it does make a big difference, especially nowadays with
can't
everything.
just plug your USB charger in there. Maybe on here. Oh, we spoke too soon.
Yeah. So they did try to put.
They added it on. So yeah, again, you have your little, I guess, alarm clock. You could probably play music. It's Bluetooth. Not sure what's in here. Just some luggage, more luggage.
Luggage.
Luggage area, yeah. Look at the headboards. Pretty neat.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. You have this nice chair to sit on. These are the little things that I think add to this resort that you're not always going to find. It's a little bit nicer, right? You have a nice chair, a nice ottoman, and I love this. This table is not like, it's not a junky table.
Oh, look at this.
This is like a solid table.
Look at this. They put outlets in here.
Oh, that's nice for when if you need it to work.
Yes. Oh,
And some USB, so they did add some of that on.
They did add it, so I'm glad they did that, yes.
And if you'll notice some of the detail here, at first I thought this was frayed, but it is not frayed. You want to know why? It matches that.
Yeah.
And again, I think that's actually a photograph, not of here, but of the theming that, this represents.
It could be.
But we're going to get all out. This is just a room tour, guys. We're doing a full immersive adventure here. We're going to be giving you all kinds of information about this resort. And excuse me. I think that we have a couple more things to show you, actually.
There's a drawer, some drawers in there.
More drawers here.
That's probably what it used to be, I'm guessing. Like a DVD player or something. That's what I'm guessing.
Could be. Or
They have
also...
Yeah, or if you want to bring something, I guess, the connection to TV, but...
Could also be old coffee service area.
Correct. So, here, let's...
And we have our... little bit of an old school. Just wanted to also show you guys here that there is water. This is not complimentary. They will charge
$8
you.
each.
And there is in-room dining here
as
at
well.
these signature hotels. You can do in-room
The
dining.
view of this room is really good.
Yeah, I like the view here. We have the pool here.
Even David was there just letting us know, like, we have access to this pool here, and if we go to the other elevator, it's close to the other pool.
There's like a
as well.
quiet pool there, and then
This
there's one more
location.
pool, he said, on property, which we'll find. I can see over there. That's a hot tub over there, which is
He
like
said
some
there's a
waterfall.
hot tub in each side, he said, but that's gonna be in our regular vlog.
Yeah, we're going to go out and explore that. That's a whole separate vlog.
Yeah.
And they also, I can see actually, looks like some food service out there as well. All
This-
right.
I have to say, this looks amazing, but right now it's only the room tour.
Yeah.
So we will normally do like a review of the room.
Yes, we're also
yeah.
going to put a review of the room in this same vlog.
Because right now, as we are talking right now, we do hear outside. So let's see
can.
if that's gonna make any difference or not. But like, it's not loud. It's
You can
light
hear it's music
but-
playing.
But again, if you have like maybe a baby sleeping, that is very light sleeping, like just, I don't know if that's gonna affect or not, but just keep in mind.
This is the best way I'll explain it. It is a bit muffled, but you can tell what song they're playing. Like,
Yeah.
you know, you can hear the music like Lionel Richie's playing or whatever it is. You know, I love Lionel Richie. That's why I always
Yeah.
use him as a reference. So yeah, you could make up lyrics,
Yes.
but it's not like blasting through the room by
No.
any means. It's almost kind of, yeah, if the TV was on and you were talking, you probably wouldn't notice it too much.
Yeah.
All right, so guys, now Vlog time, 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
This is going to be the review of the room. How did we like the room? What were the goods? What were the bads? Coming up right now. And just like that, it's time for the review of the room.
Yes.
I talk a lot on Medling World. I want Jake to go first this time. Jake, what'd you think of the room here? We already showed the tour and everything.
It was alright. I don't think it's the best though. I mean, there's no fan. The beds are kind of
Jake didn't like the bed.
The pillows aren't really that good. I don't like the room too much.
Yeah, it wasn't one of Jake's favorite rooms.
Yeah.
Roberta?
There was no fan.
I did miss the fan.
I don't like
it. Is a
but
signature.
I don't know. It's a signature, but I don't know like how it is the rooms over there. Like supposed to be like that you feel like
it is a 4-diamond resort.
Correct. So I don't think it's a requirement to have a fan. Yeah, I missed the fan also. I agree with Jake. I was not too impressed with the bed. Maybe need a replacement. I don't know.
Yeah.
I wasn't too impressed, but I didn't hear a lot. You know, during the day we could hear the music, but then at night it was.
No, it was quiet.
Yeah, it was quiet. Night was quiet. I like the view. I like the location of the room.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Shower was good. Amenities were good. I think everything else was good, but I agree with Jake. The bed was not the most comfortable.
Yeah,
bed.
we've had better beds.
Yeah.
I did miss, like at night, I missed the ceiling fan. I will say the AC worked excellent.
Yeah.
AC was excellent. We did some work on the computer. I did like this.
Yeah.
I thought this was great. We utilized those outlets on the side. We're actually uploading a Medling World vlog right now. The refrigerator wasn't great. It took a while before it got cold, although we did pack it.
Yeah.
Pretty good. But yeah, I mean, overall though, I wouldn't say the room was bad. I did like the bathroom. It had a few little extra touches with kind of like the nice, with the rug on the floor. It had the dual sinks. It had the area where the toilet was separated. Yeah. I think overall though, I did enjoy the room. This chair here was really nice to have. I hung out in there a lot. And don't forget, we had 4 people in this room.
Correct. Yeah.
So.
But again, for 4-diamond, like maybe potential a little bit more towards the bed side.
Yeah, the beds could be maybe a little bit upgraded. But there you have it. I mean, I definitely would say I would recommend staying here. I don't think it's a deal breaker at all.
No.
Because the resort itself, as you're watching hopefully our other vlogs from this resort experience, this resort is really a fun resort.
Yes.
Really nice, fancy in a way.
A lot to do too.
A lot to do. All right, guys. So there you have it. Room tour and review, Medling World. That's how we do them.
Yeah.
When we stay at our resorts, we try to give you a little bit extra on Medling World with everything that we do. Guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!